Hello and welcome to the 50th episode of the Python tutorial series. In many episodes now, we've used inbuilt modules, such as NumPy, Math, Matplotlib, and others. But what if we want to create our own custom module, with our own functions, our own structure, and our own variables? Well, that's actually much simpler than you might expect. All we have to do is open a file, call it, for example, our_module, and write in whatever functions we want. In this case, let's write a function to calculate the power of a number. We would say def power of num p, and that would be return num *p. Now let's write a second function, for example, to return the number of digits within a number. So we can say def length of num, and then we can say digits equals list of str of num, and then return len digits. Now we can save the file, and then we can open a second file and make sure to save it within the same directory. In other words, within the same location. By the way, if you want to check out how to handle directories in Python, then I'll leave a link to my tutorial on that topic in the top right-hand corner of your screen and in the video description, so don't forget to check it out. Returning to our code, all we have to do now is import the file we created earlier in the exact same way as if it were a standard Python library. So let's say import our_module as OM, short for our module. Now we can freely use the functions contained within our module. For example, we can take a number, say 25, and write L equals OM, so the name of our module, dot length, which is the name of the function contained within our module, and that will be length of num. Then we can say result equals om dot power of num, L. In other words, raise our number to the power represented by its number of digits. Finally, we can say print result, and if we run our code by pressing the F5 key, you can see that we get the correct answer of 625 on the right-hand side. This is of course calculated by taking our number 25 and raising it to the power of 2, which is equal to its number of digits. See, it's that simple to create a custom module, and it is often really useful to put all commonly used functions into one file and then simply import it each time we need it. Therefore, you don't have to rewrite functions or unnecessarily clutter up your main piece of code. Having said that, I'll now let you experiment with this new technique and end today's episode here. As usual, I hope you enjoyed it, and if so, then don't forget to like and share this video, as well as subscribe to the channel for more. You can also find a link to my previous tutorials and coding challenges in the top right-hand corner of your screen and in the video description, so don't forget to check those out as well. With that, I wish you all a great week, and until next time, happy coding!